What's up everyone and welcome to another video. Before we start this video, if you like unboxings, reviews and technology related videos, smashing that subscribe button below would be highly appreciated. And also, if you end up liking this video, give this video a thumbs up. Google released a most inexpensive smartphone in 2019, the Pixel 3a, and it seems like a follow-up would be in 2020, an affordable version of the Pixel 4. Leaks have started to come regarding the Google Pixel 4a, so let's take a look at what the Pixel 4a will offer us. No one has said anything so far on when we could see the release of the Pixel 4a, but at Google I/O 2019, the Pixel 3a was revealed. Google I/O 2020 has been cancelled. For the announcement, the current report says 13 July. According to some rumors, the Pixel 4a is likely to be released in July or August. Pixel 3a last year priced at $399 and the 3a XL priced at $479. It wouldn't be disappointing if Google holds its Pixel 4a phones at the same price point this year. It would be a foolish move to raise the price of a device targeted mainly at budget-minded users. Secondly, premium phone manufacturers seem to consider $399 as a decent price tag. For example, Apple's new iPhone SE cost $399. Also, the Samsung Galaxy A51 priced same as the iPhone SE. Galaxy A51 is the most advanced phone in its latest Galaxy A series. Also interesting was a mock-up advertisement displaying the $399 price revealed by tech leaker. Additionally, 9to5 Google's Stephen Hall tweeted that the Pixel 4a will be much cheaper, starting out at $349. That would make it even more affordable against the iPhone SE and attract more users with a budget mind. We have a fair idea of what this phone will look like due to some detailed renders and photo leaks. There are not too many surprises, but it is worth mentioning that the dimensions given suggest it is slightly smaller than the Pixel 3a. The panel is not edge-to-edge, does cut down the 2019 phone's forehead and chin, and the camera is expected to be bigger. There is a fingerprint scanner on the back and it looks like it's going to have a plastic or polycarbonate body. It's also interesting that Google seems to be pushing here a noticeable camera bump with a single camera and a flash in the black housing on back that at least gives the Pixel 4 some familiar design. All of these render elements appear to match leaked phone images. Three colors were originally reported: black with a lime button, white with an orange button, and teal with a hot pink button. It's now assumed that the two color options will be just black and blue. The 3.5mm headphone jack is also an interesting feature, which other phone manufacturers are dropping right now. The display is expected to be flat on the Pixel 4a with slimmed bezels and no notch. Rather, there will be a punch hole for the front camera, something we have never seen once on a Pixel. It is said to be a display of 60Hz and believed to be an OLED one. The resolution is the expected 1080p. No other information is revealed regarding the display. From the renders along with the LED flash, we can see a single camera in the rear housing. We may expect securely that this is the same camera unit as the Pixel 4 featured. This is the aim of these phones, to give you access to such camera qualities at a lower price point. You can expect a 12.2 megapixel with f1.7 lens and optical image stabilization. It will also have all of the Pixel 4's AI skills, including night sight. 9to5 Google appears to agree that the selfie camera is an 8 megapixel sensor and the video recording specifications are the same as those offered by the Pixel 4, which are 1080p at 30 fps, 60 fps and 120 fps. 720p at 240 fps and 4K at 30 fps for the rear camera and 1080p at 30 fps for the selfie camera. The finding of several additional code names, Sunfish and Bramble, along with the hardware details, fit the code names for Pixel smartphones. Code leaks line up the Pixel 4a with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730, which would be 4G. This has rolled up a few times, so it seems much more sure than the other devices and matches from an early hands-on leaked specs. We have also seen a learning from Geekbench suggesting Snapdragon 730 and 6 gigs of RAM. It will support 64 or 128 GB of internal storage, which will suit this compact device perfectly. A 3080 mAh of battery was said to look a little bit on the small side, but the Pixel 3a had a battery of 3000 mAh, and according to some reviews, it was performing very well. This will definitely be enough given the mid-range specs. When Google launched the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL in October 2019, there were no 5G plans unveiled by the company, and no 5G plans have been revealed since. It would be surprising if the company decided that its first 5G phone would be the mid-level Pixel 4a. One might think it will save a standout feature for the upcoming flagship Pixel 5, which is expected in October. But thanks to the more powerful Snapdragon 765 chipset from Qualcomm, cheaper phones will have 5G connections, and inexpensive 5G phones are already available, such as Coolpad Legacy 5G and the TCL 10 5G. That's all for now. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. My name is Hamza. This is TechFielder, and I'll catch you in the next one.